we're going to pot up some of our succulents here. We have to find an appropriate size pot for some of these. So that looks like it'll be a nice little plant, about that size. So we're going to take some of our potting mix and just put it in. Just, I'll take an extra leaf off of this one. There's one. Stick it right in. I'm going to remember to leave a little room for my water because this one's not going to compact down as much as like a regular mix. So just for fun, maybe we'll do a couple of the leaves. We'll see how they would grow out. So I think I would just stick them right on top. They'll find their own way. But there I go. 4 new little plants.